latest immigration news. We are going to be talking about I-751, I-829. We know that it has been extended, right, for 48 months, 4 years. My name is Bijou Gwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. I do work with individuals across the country and around the world because we're dealing with complex U.S. immigration law cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Again, thank you for subscribing. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. And folks, we are trying to grow our Instagram page. It's going to be helpful if you follow me on Instagram for employment-based type of immigrations. We are going to be talking about investment. We talk about really the business side of immigration. You can also join our private Facebook group, link in the description box below, so that you can ask your free question. That's where I answer free questions, okay? You can also comment here below, or you can wait when we start our live sessions in February. We are going to be really going live in February, at least 3 times a week. We're going to be taking questions live, really. I'll send you a link and then you get in and ask your question live. That's what we're going to try that and see how it goes for us, okay? So what's going on with I-751, I-829? I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence, and then I-829 petition by investor to remove conditions on permanent resident status. Extended for 48 months, 4 years. So if you have that petition pending with USCIS, you properly file it, really, like you file it on time and all that, and you have the expired green card, you can just use this new receipt because they're gonna change the language in the receipt notice. You can use it, the new receipt notice and that expired green card for work and travel, okay? But you have to have your valid passport, you know, in order to travel outside of the country. So the question that was asked is, what if I've lost my expired green card? So if you lost your expired green card, what you do is you call USCIS customer service and you schedule the info pass. Explain to them why you need that info pass, because you lost that expired green card, so that receipt alone is not really valid, right? So you're gonna have to schedule the info pass appointment and go to your local office, field office, USCIS office, with your valid passport. They're gonna put a visa stamp on your passport for those 4 years. The passport must be valid, right? If you don't have a passport at that point, I guess you take 2 passport pictures, US passport pictures, of course, the size. You go with those 2 passport pictures. They're gonna find a way to give you like a card or a USCIS type of letter with your picture on it, really explaining the validity of your green card for that 48 months period of time. But remember, you cannot travel with that outside if you don't have your own valid passport from your own country. So that's a great news. At least they are trying to pretty much deal with backlog, right? Some type of solution. But the question is it going to stop people from suing USCIS for unreasonable delay? No, it's not going to stop people from suing USCIS for unreasonable delay, because come on, 4 years of waiting, and now the person, let's say the person who wants to apply for US citizenship. Remember, if you marry a US citizen, and because those I-751 forms it's taking forever. Now you want to apply for your green card. Remember, you have the right to apply for your green card within 3 years of having that a conditional green card, as long as you're married to the U.S. citizen, as long as you're still married, right? So you're gonna get U.S. citizenship within 3 years based on marriage. But now that everything is taking too long, so is this type of solution, is it going to prevent lawsuits? My answer is no, it's not going to prevent lawsuit. Mandamus lawsuits will be filed regardless of this solution, because 4 years, to be honest, it is unreasonable delay. And it's gonna prevent a lot of people from applying for this U.S. citizenship, because now they have to deal with, because they have to, you know, you apply for U.S. citizenship, you have to wait for your interview. And when you go to the interview, they haven't dealt with that I-751, my friend, then it's going to delay even your U.S. citizenship interview scheduling. So that's why lawsuits will be filed. And we're here to help with those type of mandamus lawsuit. You know, I've been talking a lot about it this year, and that's our next move. We are not going to take any unreasonable delay. And the judge is there to decide what's unreasonable, you know. The standard of USCIS, 4 years for them, perhaps it's not unreasonable, but for our friends and families abroad, that's really unreasonable delay in terms of waiting if you really want to bring your family as a U.S. citizen to make it go faster, or if you want to, really it's unreasonable. Remember, if you are a U.S. citizen, you can bring your family here a little bit quicker with that I-130 petition, because with the green card petition, it takes too long, at least 2 years waiting period of time for children left abroad. So again, lawsuit, it's going to be going on still as usual, because we are not going to be waiting around, waiting for USCIS to decide what's unreasonable. We are not going to do that, because 4 years for us, for our friends, family members, we believe that's unreasonable, okay? So if you need a consultation, just please go ahead and schedule your own consultation, okay, by clicking the link in the description box below. You don't need to call. You can call if you want. Of course, Monday. You can call during business hours. I'll call you back. But it's best if you schedule a consultation by clicking the link in the description box below. Our phone number is 202-751-2180. You can also email me so that I can send you that link, consultation link, bijou.ngwandaesq@gmail.com. Until next time, bye-bye.